AgTech Tech Tip: using the OverX guide. The latest version of Gradework has added an updated OverX guide. The OverX guide will walk you through the process of entering an intermediate phase of excavation step by step. This includes temporary erosion control or over-excavation of structural areas. In this example, we will use a temporary sediment pond. The existing and design surfaces have already been entered. We will next enter the sediment pond. Select the Guide menu and select OverX. Select Create New Surface, and a new surface named OverX will be created. Select the Guide menu or press G to access the guide. Select Enter OverX Data. In this example, the erosion control plan has been imported and aligned. We will need to vectorize the plan. Click Import Mode. Select the Data Transfer menu and select Vectorize. The plan data will be vectorized. Press J to turn off the image. Select the lines for the temporary pond and transfer them to the OverX Data Lines layer. Then return to Edit mode. Press J to display the image. Assign elevations to the lines. Use Sequence Snap to quickly assign elevations. When complete, press G for Guide. Select Enter Staging Perimeters. Enter a perimeter around the temporary pond. Right-click to end, then click Yes to apply the drape line. You may have multiple perimeters, so enter all the perimeters before proceeding to the next step. Then press G for Guide. Select Review Graphics, and the program will switch to 3D view and display the OverX surface. Verify the surface looks correct. Press G for Guide and select Stage OverX. Make sure the reference and different surfaces are correct and click OK. Press G for Guide. Select Compute Volumes. A message will prompt you to verify the reference and different surfaces are correct. Click OK. Then click the Calc Volume button to calculate the volumes. Click Done to view the report.